ZK-TeCa integrates the face identification with the surveillance technology, and creates the surveillance system with face identification function, which is of great value. We enable the camera to have more initiatives, and make comparison and recognize faces intelligently. Moreover, it can realize the alarm linkage and access control linkage accordingly. The intellectualized camera makes the security work easier. Select one IP camera for the face identification. Click the Enable the face identification. Now, the face event list will show faces which has been captured. Firstly, you should register face. Step 1, you should look at the camera directly and rotate your head with 15 degrees with different angle, and choose 3 pictures of each angle. Step 2, click pause, and select the captured faces with high quality. Click Add Registering Faces, to add the chosen faces to the face template list on the Face Register interface. You can also choose real-time faces, or manually import pictures as face templates. The system will extract a template from the ticked-off faces in the template list, as the unique template of the current registering user. Step 3, fill in the face information. Tick off this option means setting the current user as blacklist user. Step 4, click to select a face template as the reference face of the current registering user. Step 5, click Register to register the user to the system. Second, you can set the parameters of the face identification. Step 1, enter the face recognition setting interface. Step 2, set the parameters. More details please refer to the client software user manual. Then set the association of IP camera with access controller. Enter the access management interface, add access controllers to the system manually. Double-click the IP camera to connect it, then tick off the access controller to link with. Click Save to finish the association operation. After that, you can set the alarm linkage of the face event. Enter the alarm linkage interface, double-click the IP camera to connect it. After the connection is successful, set the alarm linkage of face event. More details please refer to the client software user manual. Enter preview interface to start arming the device. You can implement video surveillance on the preview page. If there is a detective of face, system will record, pop-up window, open the door or perform other alarm linkage, according to your settings. Identified blacklist face and its reference face will show in the blacklist. You can search the face event specially, and play back its linkage video. Step 1, enter the access event interface. Step 2, set query condition, click search. The search result will be displayed on the log list. Step 3, view the log. Double-click the log with associated video, and the associated video will be played in the playback window. You can also search the faces in the record video. Step 1, enter the face event interface. Step 2, set query conditions. Set precise search for key faces, which will search all the faces appearing in the video precisely and comprehensively. Set quick search for key faces, which will search the defined face appearing in the video quickly. Click Search to search the faces appeared in the record video. Step 3, double-click the searched face to play back its associated video. You could not only widely search all the faces that has appeared in the videos, but also could set the searching condition to search precisely and quickly, which enables the face identification to be used more widely in our practical life. Threshold value for the face identification score. The lower value means the faces of the defined person will be more. Keyframe filter threshold. Higher value means keyframes researched will be less. Because it will filter similar faces, so less faces can be searched out.